Si Coach Jessie
Kita nga
ang
natin yung fire and aggressiveness in that timeout.
again. Besorio finding a way. So it's not even just the power.
The soft touches are working for Adamson. Siyempre alam nila, inaral nila yung kabila. Yung new block talaga is their techniques.
And that one is a rejection for Adamson. Oh, NU has to be careful because the Soaring Falcons, they are nearing.
Captain Leo now in front, so mas madali para sa kanila.
It's round 2 game for them.
Yes, I agree.
And look at the scrappiness there. And another point for Besorio.
Sumisilip siya sa blockers ng NU, and that's make na nakakaisang block lang yung bawat
Sa replay, si Tagibolos, di ba, was drawn. Isa lang din yung tumapat kay Besorio in Bodin. And a rejection once again.
Sa captain ball, as what I said kanina, very important ang blocking department ngayon kasi we know that NU.
It's a good ball. First one for Adamson, and it leads to the attack of Leo Cogimbal.
Leo Cogimbal just being aggressive both in attacking and blocking department. Take a look at that quick targeting the shoulder of Gapoldos.